Welcome back to Fierce Hot Wheel, guys. Today we're featuring something new, something exciting. New for 2019 at 155 out of 250. 1996 Porsche Carrera. From NIGHTBURNERZ, 4 out of 10. The designer of this Hot Wheel was Ru Asada. Like I said, this is a new for 2019. The real car is a Porsche 993 or the Carrera, which is 993 actually. Started its production from January 94 till 98 in US and 95 till 1998, replacing Porsche 964. Anyways, this is the last air-cooled car production that was designed, that was ever built, you could say, since, as you see, this car has no radiators, like the real cars. They have radiators. This one doesn't because it's air-cooled. Total production of these cars was 68,029 units. As of now, September 2019, these cars value anywhere between $70,000 to $100,000. So they are going up in prices. And the designer of this was Tony Hatter. Here's a picture of him. Now let's just open up and see what it looks like. Pretty nice blue color. Sunroof. Smoked windows, black interior. I see blackout spoiler. Blackout rear view mirror, red. Tail lights, just like in real life. Now it says Porsche Carrera, right? Yeah. It says Carrera on it. White, two pair PR5 wheels. Porsche logo. Pretty nice. I know this could be orange or white, the fog lights. So, integrated headlights. Pretty nice color. I actually like it. This year they came out with only two colors right now. There's a white one and there's a blue one. I just picked out the blue one because I like the blue better. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment down below, and have a great night. But by the way, this car replaced another by a Porsche. Anyways, Porsche 993 replaced Porsche 964, and Porsche 996 replaced this Porsche 993. So there's a little history, the predecessor and successor of it. One thing I actually forgot to mention, Porsches have gas cap right here. Pretty nice how they integrate actually the sprinklers for the windshield washers. Pretty nice handles. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great night.